Today's video topic is how to brush your teeth properly, a step-by-step guide. Brushing your teeth is an important part of maintaining good oral hygiene. But did you know that many people don't brush their teeth properly? This can lead to a buildup of plaque and eventually dental problems such as cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to brush your teeth properly. Step 1. Choose the right toothbrush. The first step to brushing your teeth properly is to choose the right toothbrush. You should choose a toothbrush with soft bristles that can reach all areas of your mouth. If the bristles are too hard, they can damage your gums and teeth. Electric toothbrushes are also a good option as they can help remove more plaque than manual toothbrushes. Step 2. Use the right toothpaste. When choosing toothpaste, make sure it contains fluoride. Fluoride is a mineral that helps strengthen tooth enamel and prevent cavities. You can also choose toothpaste that caters to your specific needs, such as toothpaste for sensitive teeth or toothpaste that helps whiten your teeth. Step 3. Wet your toothbrush and apply toothpaste. Wet your toothbrush under running water and apply a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on the bristles. Step 4. Brush your teeth. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your teeth and brush in circular motions. Make sure you brush all surfaces of your teeth, including the front, back, and chewing surfaces. Brush your tongue as well to remove bacteria and freshen your breath. Step 5. Don't forget to floss. Flossing is an important part of maintaining good oral hygiene. It helps remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth and along your gum line. Make sure to floss at least once a day. Step 6. Rinse your mouth. After brushing and flossing, rinse your mouth with water. You can also use mouthwash to freshen your breath and kill bacteria. Step 7. Clean your toothbrush. After brushing, rinse your toothbrush under running water and store it in an upright position to allow it to air dry. Do not cover your toothbrush as it can encourage the growth of bacteria. Proper brushing technique is essential for maintaining good oral hygiene. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can ensure that you are brushing your teeth properly and preventing dental problems. Remember to choose the right toothbrush, use the right toothpaste, and floss daily for optimal oral health.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.